15 degree can be written as, already you know, sin 15 degree root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, cos 15 degree root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Cot of 15 degree can be written as cos of 15 degree divided by sin 15 degree. Then cos 15 degree is equal to how much? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 divided by sin 15 root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This must be equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1. These two will get cancelled here. Then root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Rationalizing is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. And then numerator a plus b into a plus b whole square divided by denominator is a minus b into a plus b, a square minus of b square. Then o plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab divided by this square root we get cancelled. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Then 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2. Numerator 2 is the common. 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2. 2 we get cancelled. 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3 is the cot of 15 degree value. 2 plus root 3. Then this must be, can be, this 2 plus root 3 is the answer.